In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a simple but eye-catching glitter texture in Photoshop. This is a quick effect that looks great on text, and you can also use the same technique on other design elements later on. The best part is that it only takes a few easy adjustments, and because we'll apply the effect in a flexible way, you can still come back and refine it if needed. To begin, select the Type tool and type any word or phrase you want on your canvas. Once your text is in place, choose a color that works well for a glitter effect. Lighter or more vibrant colors usually help the sparkle stand out a bit more, but you can experiment depending on the style you want. Next, make sure the text layer is selected. Then go up to Filter, choose Noise, and then Add Noise. If your text layer isn't already a smart object, Photoshop will prompt you to convert it before applying the filter. Go ahead and click OK. This is helpful because it keeps the effect editable, which means you can return later and make changes without starting over. In the Add Noise settings, adjust the amount slider to control how intense the texture appears. A lower amount gives you a softer, more subtle sparkle, while a higher amount creates a more textured, glittery surface. Set the distribution to uniform so the texture stays even, and make sure monochromatic is checked. That keeps the glitter effect clean and consistent, without introducing unwanted color variation. Once it looks good, click OK. Now go back to the filter menu, choose Pixelate, and then Crystallize. Set the cell size to around 3. This creates small, realistic-looking glitter particles that work especially well for text. If you increase the cell size, the glitter pieces become chunkier and more obvious. If you lower it, the sparkle becomes finer and more delicate. So if you want to customize the look, this is one of the most important settings to play with. To help the glitter pop even more, add a brightness contrast adjustment layer. Increase the brightness until you're happy with how much shine the effect has. You can also make slight changes to the contrast if the texture needs a little more depth or definition. Even small adjustments here can make a big difference in how polished the final result feels. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've created a beautiful glitter texture that's perfect for text effects, logos, invitations, social media graphics, and other creative projects. Thanks for watching, and keep experimenting with different colors and filter settings to create your own unique glitter styles and take your Photoshop designs to the next level.